dentro del vehículo y cuida a los niños.
Automated driving technology activated.
Welcome to the sim track. We'll begin with the capability test to see how your vehicle designs perform under challenging weather and surface conditions.
Monitoring road surface. Connecting to OnStar. SIM car performance data acquired.
Let's try that again, this time with ABS on.
Let's see how your designs hold up now.
Commencing SIM car off-road and extreme weather sequence.
There's an increase in lateral
Capability test results displayed and verified.
Now let's see how your vehicles compare when it comes to their
third.
efficiency.
Scanning SIM car for optimal fuel efficiency. Gauging EcoScan for
Put your hand up, you can change the
drive systems
look at the name on the tire.
technology in progress. Calculating total environmental.
Wet performance. Oh, I got second.
Commencing responsiveness test.
Okay, the responsiveness data is now being synchronized.
Seeing an increased lateral force.
Verified active. Automated crash avoidance technology disengaged.
Oh yeah.
Displaying
Look at that handling.
responsiveness data.
Here comes the final test.
Oh.
Energizing for power test.
Sightlines.
Displaying power test results. SimTrack performance testing complete.
This concludes your performance testing. You'll be able to see how your Chevrolet custom concept vehicle designs compared with the sim car after you disembark. Please watch your step as you exit.
You want to tell them to
And remember
smash
to
that
take
like
all
and
your personal
subscribe
belongings
button?
with you. Be sure to check your final performance numbers when restoring.
Virtual Disney World.